Alright, my scratch and dent special is finally here, and I don't see a scratch on it, but oh yeah, this thing looks awesome. It looks way better in person than online, and I've already got upgrades waiting for it, so I gotta get home. Alright, so the Infraction Mega is already on the workbench here with the Vendetta next to it, and I'm already ripping out electronics. I already ripped the wing off. I don't think I'm going to keep the wing on there, but this is what's going in there. It's the Spectrum 3200. Got 100 amp ESC 3S. Got the BLX, what is this, motor mount. So I'm not going to be using any of this. This is going straight in there with the BLX motor, of course. And I'm thinking about doing the servo, but I'm going to wait till it craps out. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull all the gears out of here and put them in here. And this thing is going to be ready to rip. And through the magic of video editing, I got my 3S BLX system neatly installed. Got the center drive shaft support installed. Got the BLX motor mount installed back there. I just ripped it out of my Vendetta. And I got another one that's going back in the Vendetta, but the Vendetta's getting a spool, and there's all the old guts, and she is ready to blast. Let's turn it on. All right. Yeah, much better. Man, she's ripping. Yeah. It's hard to drive one-handed, especially in the rain with no grip. Ooh. Alright, so right now I am running a 120C Hovo LiPo with the upgraded BLX system, and I literally took this out of the Vendetta. So it's Vendetta everything, the gearing, stock gearing, not the speed pinion in there, and we'll see how fast it goes on these tires. And I've got the Vendetta tires, and then I've got some silver Hoons that I want to try. So we'll see what it does. Here we go. Yeah, these tires are definitely not made for speed. Let's see what we got. Alright, next up, I decided to just go straight for the Hoons. So we got the silver Hoons on. We got a Z 120C LiPo. I really like these ones, the 5500s. They seem to be the fastest, but we're gonna see how it does. All right, first pass. Here we go. Whoa. Woo! A little screwy there. Okay, first pass was 52. That's not bad. Let's do it again. I had to trim it up a little bit, and I'm gonna turn down dual rates. Hopefully get it tracking straight, and let's see. Damn it.
Trying to race.
Well, it appears that 52 is probably going to be the fastest I'm going to get out of it right now, and I'm okay with that. I think this one's going to be a good drifter for me. I'm going to keep it like that, and already got fog lights going. We're going to get some more LEDs on here, but so far so good. I'm happy.